Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's Friday. Time for your love bite now. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Saggy gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Sagittarius, let's take our angel blessing card. Let's see how the angels are going to bless you with a guidance, advice, message, or a blessing. Play music. Wow. Weekend is here, Sagittarius. Play music, the angels say. So, yes, music could play a very, very important role in your life right now, Sagittarius. Maybe you are receiving messages from the angels, or maybe your partner. Maybe it's time to just take a chill pill and put your hair down and have a relaxing weekend. So, let's see why this card is here. Let's open your cards and see what's the message that wants to come through for you today. And yes, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel, for all the lovely comments, the likes, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. You keep me motivated to get these videos out for you. And of course, Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, newbies, this is just a little mini love bite. Your longer readings have already been put up. If you've missed those, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. More are coming. And of course, if you need a private reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there as well. So let's see. Bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Wands in reverse. What happened, Sagittarius? Feeling burnt out? The week's gone by, and if you're feeling depleted of your fiery energy, or if you're upset or angry with somebody, Sagittarius, I think it's time now to just put your hair down and listen to some music, recharge those batteries of yours. Okay, maybe you've had a busy week at work, maybe somebody's upset you. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Justice in reverse, and the Seven of Wands. Yes, you feel that whatever you've put in, you have not received the equal amount back. And you feel it's not fair at all. Now you've got your defenses up. Knight of Swords, Hierophant, Six of Swords, Page of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. So all's well. That's going to be ending well. So stay put, okay? So yes, you've been feeling that. You've been being very defensive. Maybe you've had some harsh communication or some news or some sudden message or something, or somebody said something to you which kind of made you feel bad, okay? Maybe it was a matter of commitment. Somebody didn't commit to you, didn't give you what you wanted, and now you feel things have really gone a wrong direction here. But either you or your person is still kind of looking back to see how you're doing. Okay? Eventually, I think it ends up with you being very happy because some truth and clarity is coming. Of course, I'm going to clarify these cards. But before that, I want to take some dialogue message cards to see if the person concerned, your love interest, let's say, or your partner, would like to say something to you right now, what that would be. Saggy and their person spirit. Thank you. And let's take some from here. Saggy and their person. Saggy and their person spirit. Thank you. And let's take some messages from the heart as well. Thank you. All right, good to go, Sagittarius. I want to hold you and never let go, is a message from their heart to you. Of course, this could be a cross-watcher read, so keep that in mind, okay? Maybe that's the way you're feeling about your person. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. Maybe you were feeling unappreciated, Sagittarius. You felt you did so much for your person and you never got justice. So now this person wants to tell you it's the little things that you do that do make you so special. I haven't been happy for a long time. Maybe they're having some trouble in their own life with their own emotions, with their own problems, and maybe they haven't been able to show you that appreciation, Sagittarius. I took an oath with God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. So, if you have had any doubts and if you're putting your guard up and being defensive, thinking your partner doesn't love you, I think it's time to put those defenses down. I dream that I will wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. I'm not your so secret admirer. I know that I'm always checking up on you. Didn't I just say that? Somebody is checking up on you all the time. So whether you are really married to this person or not, in the 3D world, not married, this person does feel they have a spiritual bond with you. I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. But you say you want me, but your actions don't match with the words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. You feel it's not just that, there is no equality here. You're holding us back because of your excuse me. You're holding us back because of your self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I have forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. So, yes, that's you and your partner. Let's see what's going on here. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Why is the Six of Pentacles in reverse here? Six of Pentacles. Somebody is feeling very defeated here. Somebody, Sagittarius, this could be you, this could be a cross watcher, I don't know. Feeling, there is no balance in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. Maybe it's coming to an end. You feel stabbed in the back and defeated and feeling it's all over. And you feel you haven't really received the justice that you wanted out of this connection. I think what you really wanted was passion in your life. You wanted forward movement. You wanted, happiness in your life. You wanted a partner who could match you. But you feel your partner probably was emotionally a bit closed off or is. They don't show their emotions. They don't come out and say the things that you want them to say or do for you, and you feel that it's only one person who keeps putting in the effort and the other person never really kind of steps up. So now I think you're kind of becoming a little defensive and putting your guard up here and saying, second, too many cards. Seven of Wands, Spirit, Seven of Wands. Yes, I think right now you're feeling a little upset here. You put your guard up, you are overthinking the situation. Maybe you're crying, maybe you're having sleepless nights, maybe you are just worrying for no reason and thinking, is it time for me to get out of this? You know, it's like I want to sneak away, I want to run away. What's the point of living an imbalanced life here? So maybe some words have been, exchanged here as well with the Knight of Swords energy. Some sharp, cutting words maybe have been exchanged between the two of you, which has kind of made you feel it. You know, you want to give up. You don't want to fight this battle forever by yourself. Yes, I think Sagittarius, you're overthinking this. I'll be honest with you. This is like a self imposed prison that you've put yourself in. This overthinking, going round and round in your head all the time, always worrying, always stressed, always kind of feeling miserable about this connection. Uh, Hierophant spirit in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Right now, there's a bit of stagnancy maybe in your relationship, Sagittarius. Maybe things are not going that great in your partnership. You feel it's time that you made a choice regarding this person in your life who you think is not being authentic or is just creating illusions around you, or saying things like this card said, saying things but their words don't match their actions. So you feel this person is kind of not being authentic, and you feel this relationship has now gone a wrong direction totally, and you also may be kind of contemplating sometimes of walking away from this connection altogether. Just leave all these troubles behind and kind of just walk off. Maybe go see what else is out there for you, or any other options for you. This was sideways, I'll put it back. But yes, there's a little bit of confusion in your head as well. You don't know what you're going to do, where you're going to go, what should you do. There's a lot of worrying going on. You are kind of looking out to see, not making a move. I don't see you making a move. But yes, in your head, these thoughts are going into your head to see what else is out there, or, let me see what my future has for me now. Maybe I should stop putting in work and check out my other options now. Page of Swords. I think your partner right now is feeling they're watching you. Their partners, I think, keeping a watch on you, feeling very, very isolated, feeling very abandoned by you. Your partner loves you. Your partner really does love you. They want to communicate with you. They see you as their wish fulfillment. I have the Nine of Cups twice here. So don't worry about it. Even if right now you guys are kind of fighting, maybe you're in the same house or miles apart, I don't know, but your partner is watching you intently, seeing how your mood is, if you're okay, and they know that you are their happiness. Your communication is going to begin very, very soon, if not in an hour, because somebody wants to have clear communication with you here. It's going to be truthful, it's going to be honest, there's going to be a lot of back and forth kind of communication, and yes, this is going to be an end to whatever you've been going through here, Sagittarius. This is just mild upset that I think you're in right now, where you're feeling a bit defeated. I do see momentum starting once again, where the Chariot card is here. Things are going to be fine, you'll be moving ahead soon. Rebirth is assured. Okay, rebirth is assured here. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. So if you're a little upset with your partner, don't think the worst, and don't, kind of give yourself dark circles right now. Things are fine. Your partner is just waiting for you to cool down before they can come back to you. You make them very happy, and they do love you. That's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.